ano ka na, napakabagal mo na, no? Number 9, itong mahalaga at masaya. Payment. Your salary will be paid monthly in arrears into a nominated bank in Papua New Guinea. So, merong sumasahod dito ng weekly, meron din naman sumasahod ng every 2 weeks, meron din naman sumasahod na katulad namin, monthly ang sahod namin. So, number 10 is leave entitlements. You must be employed for at least 6 months and have satisfactorily completed the probationary period to be eligible for the entitlements specified in Clause 10.3 and Clause 10.4. So ano ba yung 10.3 and 10.4? Malalaman natin yun dito. So 10.1, annual leave. You are entitled to the equivalent of 30 working days leave per year at periods agreed to you by the company. So every year, sa aming previous company, meron kaming 30 working days na annual leave. Uwi kami sa Pilipinas. Annual leave will be paid for 12 months of continuous full-time service with the company. 12 months. No, kapag dun ka na sa nakaisang taon ka na sa company, bibigyan ka na nila ng annual leave fee. Letter B, the company has the right to require you to take up to 10 days of your annual leave during quieter periods or at times when the company office is closed. Should you not have sufficient leave to convert this period, you may be required to take leave without pay. Okay? So, minsan, pag quiet naman yung wala namang masyadong eksena, pag sinabi nilang 30 days, minsan gagawin nilang 40 days. Pero never naman nangyari sa akin yun. Yung sa akin naman is 30 days is 30 days. Ito naman ay nung una pa. So, siguro may mga changes na ngayon. Letter C. Annual leave must be arranged with the Human Resource Department and agreed to by the company at least 6 weeks before the leave period. Hindi maaaring gusto mo umalis na bukas, hindi naman. Hindi naman i-negotiate pa kung kailan ka aalis. Pero of course, katulad sa amin sa retail, we understand na pag bare months na, di ba? Pag independence dito sa Papua New Guinea, which is a very big event to the country, bawal kami mag-holiday. 10.2, airfares. In line with the annual leave, the company will provide 1 annual return economy airfare from Port Moresby to Manila, Philippines, your place of recruitment. Yung place of origin at saka yung place of recruitment ay iba. So nakalagay lang dito is the company daw is mag-provide ng return trip ticket from Port Moresby to Manila. Meron din naman mga companies na nag-o-offer ng return ticket from place of origin. So isa sa mga malilinaw dapat yan. So if you're from Visayas, maaari naman siguro na i-negotiate mo doon sa kontrata na from Visayas to Manila to Port Moresby and from Port Moresby to Manila to Visayas. Para hindi ka na nagagastosan doon sa domestic flight mo pa, 'di ba?